Hello friends, this is Suraj Sawan. Welcome to Vigilant Online Workshop. Today's topic would be Windows 7 hacking by using Metasploit. So first thing, as we have seen earlier in our basic ethical hacking, that we are going to use backtrack machine in a virtual virtual machine. So similarly, we are going to use the same things. I have launched my backtrack in virtual machine and similarly a Windows 7 machine, a normal Windows 7 machine. So first, as we have seen, there are two tools majorly used for system hacking, that is Armitage or Metasploit. The Armitage is quite cool because it is having GUI version. It's a GUI version, so we'll call Armitage itself to attempt this attack. So I just called Armitage to my terminal. So before starting this attack, let me tell you the vulnerability of Windows 7. In Windows 7, there is one system necessary program. The system inbuilt program is Internet Explorer, a very common program. We are going to use the vulnerability between that Windows 7's Internet Explorer. That browser is having some CSS and some XML files in it to develop itself. So we are going to receive the access through one of the CSS file by exploiting that CSS vulnerability. So similarly, we are having one exploit for Windows 7 and but obviously for Windows 8. So the exploit is quite cool. It just fires one URL. We have to enter that URL in Windows 7's system browser, that is Internet Explorer, so that it will get compromised. So this is a Internet Explorer. It may take some time because I'm running this in virtual machine. Procedure is quite cool, but it may take some time. Before starting this, let me tell you, it is believed that Windows XP in Windows XP, when they launched Windows XP, the hackers has found their exploit in 2 hours. Then, in case of Windows 7, they have found this vulnerability in next 3 months after it launched. And in case of Windows 8, they have found the exploit for Windows 8 in 10 minutes. So here Armitage has been launched. See, soon Armitage we see Armitage GUI. We have to launch a scan for host to just bring all those computers which are present in our network. You can see over here there are two machines, Windows 7 machines. This is the host machine, my original machine, and this one is Windows 7 which is connected in my virtual machine. So thing is, we are going to exploit this machine itself. So first I'll remove these machines and I'll tell you how to scan these machines. Go to the host and go to the nmap scan. As we have seen earlier, advanced scanning using nmap, advanced active scanning, we are just going to launch quick scan with the OS detection, so that we'll come to know which operating system is installed in host machines. So yeah, here you have to input your range, your IP range. That is, your IP address is fconfig and my IP address is 192.168.117.255 is my broadcast IP address, and this is my original IP address. So I'll copy this and I'll put this over here, 192.168.117.0/24. 24 is nothing but to scan whole network. It may take some time to scan all the network. In case you don't know how many machines are there in your network, so you just need to put the same IP address as we have entered earlier. As you can see over here, they have scanned 100 scanned ports on this IP address. See over here, they has found three machines. Three machines are nothing but this is my VMnet 8 and this is my VMnet 1, and this is the machine which is connected in my network. I want to exploit this machine, so just go here and type ms11. This is nothing but our exploit, and this is our exploit. Okay, so I'll double click on it to launch this. Over here, just do one thing. Here you have to input slash at URI path. That's it, and you're good to go. Just click on launch. Over here you can see this is a local IP. You just have to input this IP in Windows 7's browser. The address was http://192.168.117.128 is nothing but Windows backtrack's IP address, and port 8080 slash. I just clicked on enter. Machine is working very slow. Let's pause this video. Okay, over here we have launched this URL, and you can see in backtrack your Windows 7 machine got compromised over here. Now you can do anything. You have Meterpreter session. You can even access his machine, his file system. You can interact with that machine using command prompt, or you can explore his file systems, anything. So that's all about Windows 7 hacking. Thank you.